Hey guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Now, I know I just finished a video. I just did the Irish cream cold brew, but this time I got a request for the chocolate cream cold brew. So I'm gonna make that now real quick, and I'm glad we have all the stuff out already because I'm just gonna do a quick video on how to make that one. It's so good. So come join me in my kitchen. So for our chocolate cream cold brew, we are gonna use Ovaltine. Remember these? You can use malt powder, but I don't have malt powder. I do have chocolate malt because I give that to the girls, and I have one that's just chocolate milk. So I'm gonna mix these two because I like it malty, but not too much. So I'm gonna put half of this and half of this. I also have the simple syrup that we made earlier, and I have equal parts of milk and heavy whipping cream, as well as my cold brew coffee that's been sitting out, so it's starting to sweat. Okay, so let's assemble. Okay, so I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon since we established that 1 pump of syrup is 1/2 tablespoon. So that's our syrup. 1 pump of syrup is 1/2 tablespoon of syrup. So we are going to put 1 for our drink, so 1 tablespoon, that's 2 pumps. And with the same syrup, I'm gonna add we'll add 1 again, 1 to our milk and heavy cream. I forgot to say, you have to store this in the fridge after you're done so it can last. Our syrup and heavy cream and milk, I'm gonna add, that's 1/2 teaspoon. So I should have just done, well, whatever. 1/2 teaspoon twice, so 1 teaspoon. And then 1 teaspoon of that one. If you like it more malty, you can just use the regular Ovaltine chocolate malt, but...
Mama, did you already put that inside?
Yeah, I did. So now we're gonna whisk this. This time I'm gonna use a whisk. So I'm gonna do a different setup so I can whisk. This is what happens when you can't find your tripod because you moved and everything's a mess. Okay, so in my last video, I said I was going to show you a hack on how to whisk this so you don't have to like just whisk away like normal. So just, you know, put your hands together. Oh, okay. The little one just fell. So you can just whisk like this. And if you go this time with this, it'll take like 2 minutes. But whatever is easier for you. For me, I think with this particular one, since the wood is a little thicker than my other one, I think just doing this one, or we'll do a mix of both. And if you go this way, I mean, I'm splashing, but you'll get it done. And then you don't even need a milk frother. Okay, so now this is perfect. Look at that. That's perfect consistency for our cold brew. Now I'm ready to pour this on top. And that one is actually gonna look so good. Look at that. Oh, I'm amazed by all this. Can you tell I really like coffee? Okay, so this one's not for me because I just peekaboo. Because if you just saw my last video, I'm drinking my other cold brew, but I have to taste it because I made it. Let's see. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Your daddy's gonna love this. Tastes just like the chocolate cream cold brew. I know you want some, but this is coffee. I'll make you some decaf. I won't. I'll make you some chocolate milk. You want that? Yay. Okay. And you want cold foam on top of your chocolate milk? Yeah. Okay. So we're going to go do that. But we won't make a video on that. Anyway, guys, thanks for joining me again. Thanks for joining my little one, which just crashed the party. Hope you have a good day. Bon appetit.